দৈনন্দিন ব্যবহারের জন্য ৫০টি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ শব্দ। ডেইলি দৈনিক, I read the news daily. উইকলি সাপ্তাহিক, we have a weekly meeting. মান্থলি মাসিক, she pays her bills monthly. ইয়ারলি বার্ষিক, they go on a vacation yearly. Today আজকে, today is a beautiful day. Tomorrow কালকে, we will meet tomorrow for lunch. Yesterday গতকাল, I saw him yesterday at the store. Weekend সপ্তাহান্তে, let's relax on the weekend. Usually সাধারণত, I usually wake up early. Generally সাধারণত, he generally prefers tea. With সাথে, I went to the park with my friends. For জন্য, I bought flowers for my mom. By ধারা, he will arrive by 5 p.m. About কোনো বিষয় নিয়ে, let's talk about our plans. From থেকে, she is from New York. After পরে, we will go for a walk after dinner. Before আগে, finish your homework before dinner. While যখন, he listens to music while he works. During কোনো এক সময় ব্যাপী, it rained heavily during the night. Till কোনো এক সময় পর্যন্ত, I will wait for you till 5 p.m. Until কোনো এক সময় পর্যন্ত, we will keep trying until we succeed. Since কোনো এক সময় থেকে, he has been busy since morning. Then তারপর, first thing and then speak. Later পরে, I will call you later. Early আগে আগে, he arrived early for the meeting.